what Shillong needs is an efficient public transport system.
Shillong does not need to be classed as a smart city to have these basic requirements.
There was, in many cases, not enough citizen consultation.
It's cheaper to come from Guwahati to Moyong rather than from Moyong to Shillong.
Here comes these smart projects and build a wall and forget about it.
If you don't involve local headmen, community leaders, if they themselves don't have the information of what projects are supposed to do, then that would be a very important first starting point. I mean, it should start right when the project is announced or even envisioned. You have to bring on board local experts as well.
Everyone talks about that there is no parking space in PB. Now we have the mammoth construction over there. Will it ease the parking in PB or will it aggravate the already existing problem?
Shillong is unlivable as a city right now. I try not to leave my office. My office is in Mauro.
When I say smart city, I feel that that's a city where you have nice walkways to walk, you have good transportation, and then you have an ease of moving from one place to another and on. And very ironically, it took me 2 hours to come from Samtiat to here, a distance of about 78 kilometers. So I think we are far behind.